The reverse button works two different ways depending if you're sewing or not sewing when you touch it. So for example, a lot of us are used to just sewing, touching and holding the reverse button. It'll back up, and then when we let go, it goes forward again. That's probably the easiest one. Now, if you touch the reverse button when it's not sewing, you'll notice a green light will come up, and now without holding it, it will just go backwards until you turn it off. So if you touch it, it will go and turn off the light and then return back to its forward position. So just know that if it's going backwards and you don't know why, well, that green light has been activated. So depending on how you like to actually lock your stitches, the reverse button is right at your fingertips. But there's a few other ways that you can lock stitches. Remember, you have the tie-off feature, which is an immediate tie-off, does little locking stitches and then stops. That's this button here. Plus, you have the tie-off menu that allows you to add beginning and ending tie-offs at any decorative stitch, regular stitch that you might be sewing. So check out our video right up here on how the tie-off menu works.